Brethren, the time has come again to receive from our daddy, the only minister with too much sense. He has PhD in preachology. He even has CNN in science and wonders.
Oh my
Brethren,
God.
without wasting our time, put your hands together as I welcome our daddy, the CEO, the General Overseer of Baba International Ministry, Daddy King of Creativity. With a lot of fun. God bless my daddy. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Ani wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa, wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà bàbá, wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa, àwọn ọmọdé wọ̀nyí kéré sí nọ́mbà wa.
Wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa, wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa, wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa, àwọn ọmọdé wọ̀nyí.
Brethren, I know many of you are wondering, this is a new dimension. Why is daddy looking like a bag of money? Don't you know about it? There comes a time when you are so blessed, you can no longer hide it. You just have to let it out. Simply because that is how star do.
How do star do?
Like I do. Briefly, let me share with you a few points. And just as you know, you can always bank on anything that I tell you. Number one, do you know that Echo Bank is not owned by Echo?
I don't know.
Do you know that First Bank is truly the first bank in Nigeria? But they do not own an elephant. They lied.
Oh my God.
Neither does Union Bank own a white horse. They also lied. Listen to this one. Do you know that it is only when you are in the university that you can drink unity?
No.
Are we together? By the way, I have one question for CBN. Why exactly is Polaris Bank looking like low budget Wema Bank? Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, I have a great heritage. I have a great heritage. Can I preach yet? Can I preach yet?
Go and sit down.
Let me share with you briefly the story of a former church member, Mr. Uba. When Uba was much younger, he lived in the village with his boss. One day, his boss found a diamond on the farm. He brought it home and told Uba, keep it for me. Uba kept it. The next day, because Uba had access to the diamond, he took it and fled to the city. He sold it and kept the money in a bank account.
Continue.
Many years after, Uba went to school and became a standard chartered accountant, but still had his fidelity about 21st century ideologies. Many years after, Uba was approaching the zenith of his career, and one day he got a very juicy deal about buying an ICT company in India. Somebody say India. India. Somebody say India. India. Quickly, Uba set up a meeting with some of the ICT company representatives. They met, Uba signed the contract and went to FCMB to withdraw that diamond money, which had appreciated. Uba then went further to transfer the money to an offshore account to seal the deal. Can I shock you? Can I shock you? Shock us. 2 days later, Uba got a mail that read, Dear Mr. Uba, thank you for your interest in XYZ ICT company. We are glad to announce to you that your 36 million naira has been fully received for vanishing. Oh my God! Somebody say Limau! Wow. Somebody say Limau! Wow. Mr. Uba began to shiver and fell, and he couldn't stand because he was weak. He summoned some courage and got up. He went into his car, entered, and held the steering. Very angry, began to speed at about 150 kilometers kilometers per hour to his lawyer's office. Oh my God. He got to the lawyer's office and showed the lawyer the contract. The lawyer reviewed it and noticed that it was a fake contract. She looked up and guess what?
What happened?
She said, "Sir, I'm sorry. This case is beyond me. Maybe you should go to the police. But sir, there is no guarantee."